many people are yet to know that Ipob has suspended the sit-at-home. And this is why every Monday now, people sit at home, both civil servants, businessmen, traders. I also feel that they fear that maybe if they come out, there may be attacks or killings as witnessed in the first sit-at-home.
The Southeast people must rise up to say no to this madness. Have we ever thought of how we'll be killing ourselves in the pretext that we are fighting for ourselves? This is very dangerous. And until we all rise up to say no,